Hey guys, today I am back with the unboxing of the June SCT sampler kit. If you're new to the channel or new to these unboxings, this is the monthly sampler kit that is sent out by Scrapbook and Cards Today magazine. It is a sampler of some current or recently released scrapbooking and card making supplies and collections and so on. And it's a really good value. It's $12 a month if you pay for a whole year. It's a little more expensive if you pay for 6 months or 3 months, and it's a really good deal, and they send you a lot of cool stuff. So I thought I would give you a look into what the June sampler consists of. So every month there is this postcard that has a listing of the products that have been included on the back, and on the front there is always a quote of some kind. This month the postcard says, "Whatever is good for your soul, do that." And then the first item we have is the exclusive adhesive foam word by SCT, which is of course good, and it also came with 3 little accompanying hearts. So to start off, from the American Crafts Dear Lizzy It's All Good collection, there are a number of 6x6 double-sided papers. This one is called Blissed Out. This one is called Seek Magic. This is Pink Lemonade. This one is called Be You. This is called Best Ever. This is called You Bet. And this one is called Remember This. And then we have a number of ephemera pieces and a paper clip. And then we have some chipboard stickers. And then there are some items from close to my heart, including some craft on pattern papers. There are no titles listed for these, so I will just show them to you one by one, front and then back. I hope my camera is focusing on this. It doesn't look like it. I don't think it likes the bright color. And then we also have these adhesive wooden words and 2 little rubber shapes. And then the final item in this month's kit was a polymer stamp set from scrapbook.com called Handmade Essentials. It came in this envelope with this "Your stamp inside, thank you for your order" sticker, so I assume it's a freebie they typically give out with orders over a certain size or whatever on scrapbook.com. So it came packaged in this nice little envelope. And then inside this envelope was this little book, and it shows you on the front what the stamp looks like. And then you just open it up and the stamp is right here. And then I guess there's some ads here for their other stamps and their free classes. I'll zoom in on the stamps in a second. And then again, just more, it's all just kind of like advertising for stuff that they sell. So it's just a really cute little sentiment stamp. It says, "Thinking of you, happy birthday, ×2, thanks, just for you," and this little handmade stamp, which I really love and I'll probably put to good use. Yeah, so it's a really nice cute little stamp set, and I'm excited to have received it. And that is it for the June 2019 SCT sampler kit. I'm pretty happy with it. I really like the summery feel to all of the items. Actually, it works out really well because I am looking to do some summer themed crafting next once I finish killing off the paper pad that I've been working on since May. That's evidently going to be a May and June project because I'm really struggling with the scraps, but I'm trying to get it done. So my next plan for crafting is summer themed, so all of this will go really nicely with the summer themed stuff I already have, so I'm probably just going to throw the whole kit in with my summer stuff. Like I said, I love the stamps. I'm going to be playing with them a lot, and then also just the ephemera is really cute, and all the colors are really summery with all the lemons and stuff in it. So yeah, I'm very excited to play with this and see what I can come up with. As always, the link to where you can sign up for the SCT sampler kit is linked below. But yeah, that's it for this month's SCT sampler kit. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Please give it a share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that little bell in the corner to be notified when I next upload a video. And I will see you guys in the next one.